Hey, Joe from Blue Lace Garage. I'm in here on a Sunday trying to just record a quick video for you all. Last week I did a timing belt and water pump component kit in a 2006 Acura MDX. The person that owned it had never had the belt replaced, and I suggested that they do it because I have seen them break before on one vehicle. It was a Honda Prelude years ago. Dry rotted belt. But what happens, and I've seen it on other cars as well, but usually in the colder climates when it's cold out, the crank drive cog will just rip off these teeth on the belt and basically ruin your engine. Hondas are an interference engine. For those of you who don't know what that means, it means that when the top end of the engine stops moving, the bottom end of the engine keeps moving, and they collide with each other, and you basically ruin the motor for the most part. It is fixable, but it's a lot of labor to do it. So what I'm getting at in this video is primarily the quality of parts you use. Now, you look at this water pump right here. It says Honda Aisin, A-I-S-I-N. I think I'm saying that right. But the kit I recommend that you use is actually an Aisin kit. It's aftermarket, yes, but it's made in Japan. It's the same maker that made this pump and everything else. A lot more affordable. It's got the hydraulic tensioner. The hydraulic tensioner is very important. This one, the actual end of it was actually, half full of oil, which what happens is that gets weak and it can't hold pressure against this idler, and in turn when that happens the belt starts to flop around and it jumps timing, and then again you can ruin your motor again. So, but anyway, what I recommend is this Aisin kit. If you go to an independent or you have somebody do the job for you, just spend a little extra money and put that kit in, be done with it. I've gotten burnt in the past. I put aftermarket kits in. Never again will I do anything supplied by the customer. Customer supplies parts. Usually they buy stuff that's cheaper so they save money, but what I call that is bending over a dollar to pick up a dime. I did a water pump assembly in a Subaru, the timing belt and a tensioner, everything, and only to find out it started leaking after about 3,000 miles. It had to be all completely done. The timing belt was soaked, so it had to be redone with, I used Subaru parts in that one the second time around, but it could have been a lot worse. That could have ruined the engine, but it didn't. They caught the leak, luckily, before it got worse. But anyway, look, I recommend an Aisin kit. Honda, this V6 3.5, they use it in the Odyssey vans, the Pilots, Ridgelines, Acura MDX. So they use that motor in a lot of their vehicles. Someday they might go to a timing chain, which would be better, but timing chains are more reliable as long as you change your oil. If you don't change your oil, that oil thins out and stretches the chain, and usually if a vehicle needs a chain, by the time it needs a chain, it needs a motor, because the motor's been neglected right along with that. So, but anyway, I hope this video has helped you out from possibly saving yourself from making a poor decision. Like and subscribe, it'd be appreciated. Your comments are appreciated. Any negative comments will be deleted and not responded to, so just keep that in mind. I appreciate you. Treat yourself good and treat others even better. Have a great night.